Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Fatma Ali. Welcome to the art segment. Today we are going to draw one of my favorite animals. Okay, I know it's not the common favorite animal, but for me, they're very cute animals. I like to interact with them. So, what are my favorite animals? My favorite animals is a duck and a tortoise. So for you, you can draw any favorite animal. You can ask me to help you to draw any favorite animal. So drawing is quite easy. You just need to follow your steps. So for the duck, I'm going to draw a small duck. A small duck, a circle. Okay. You draw a circle over there. Then you bring the body. Remember, if it's perfect, it's not art, right? And then you put a tail. Okay. And then you put one leg over there, another leg over there. Okay. And then you put a beak. Give it a nice stroke. But my duck is a bit funny. And then you give it an eye. A cute eye. Oh, it's a cute duck. Now, we color our duck yellow and orange. Coloring is my favorite. I love coloring. You can use crayons or color pencils, whatever works for you. Color, color, color. We're almost done. We're almost there. And done. So the beak of the duck, let's give it a nice touch of orange. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. And done. Now, to my next favorite animal, the tortoise. So it's a bit challenging, but I want you to follow me step by step. So first, let's make a semicircle. Okay. And then you draw a dome right here, one line, and another line. Okay. And then you draw a half a circle over here, semicircle, and then you draw one line, another line, and one line. And now our tortoise, of course, needs to have a head. You draw the head. Okay. And then you give it eyes. I have a tortoise that I visit in the national park that's called Mimo. Mimo is the oldest tortoise in Nairobi. And then you give it some legs. If you get time, you can go to the national park and ask for Mimo. Okay, it's still alive. Then we're done with our tortoise. So this part is called the shell. Some tortoises are green, some are dark, most are green. You color, color, color. Remember, if it's perfect, it's not art. You color. You color, color. And we're almost done. You color the legs nicely. 1, 2. Oh. Then you color the knee and then you write the name. So this is my tortoise. How do you write tortoise? Tortoe. Okay, and then we have duck. Okay, this is my favorite duck and my favorite tortoise. So I hope you enjoyed watching me draw my favorite animals, and as I said, you can go to Nairobi National Orphanage and visit a tortoise called Mimo. Okay, see you in the next episode where we draw more favorite animals. Okay, we can draw lions, we can draw cheetahs, antelopes, name it, as long as it's drawable. Okay, so feel like Karim.